Hello, you're part of the Mastermind Method live workshop. This is a limited time training, so I want to make sure that you get the absolute most out of it, okay? So step one, I need you to click on this page, come along to the private Facebook group, request to join. There's a couple of questions there. Make sure that you know where that is because that's where the live training is going to be delivered. If you missed the live daily training, there's 4 sessions at the same time in a row. Check in the Facebook group for those times of those. If you miss any of those up, the replays will be up for a limited time only. This is really a pop-up training. I'm going deep, giving all my best stuff, so I don't leave it up. I want to make sure you take action, that you're driven to sort of jump in and absolutely go for it, because a mastermind has the ability to at least double your business this year in 2020, and I want to take you there. So make sure you request to join. You'll be getting emails as well, reminding you of when the training's going live. You can also click the link on this page to get Facebook Messenger reminders. I will not overwhelm your inbox with those, just a quick, hey, we're going live. So click on those if you kind of forget to show up for things, because you're going to want to just really dive into the momentum of this. It's going to be great. I'm so thrilled you've decided to join me, and I'm going to make it the best free training you've had all last year and this year. I was going to say all year, but it's pretty early on. So super pumped to have you here. Let me know if you need anything in the group. I'm in there all the time, sharing all I can to make this a valuable training. Okay, take care. Bye.